We're just a few days away from the Huawei P60 series launch, and a new unboxing video of the Huawei P60 Pro version appeared with a revelation of various amazing design specs. I was not expecting that a whole unboxing video of a Huawei's P60 Pro appeared online, which is unreal anyway. I know you can't wait, so let's dive into the unboxing video. The unboxing video shows the Huawei P60 Pro version with a white color retail box. It has a Huawei P60 Pro label and X-Mage branding, as well as a proud logo of Kunlun glass. The retail box is also carved with "Powered by HarmonyOS" at the bottom. The box is simple, and the first view lands on the brand new camera system. The light goes through that large ring in the middle. The side has a shiny frame and silver-coated volume, as well as the power button with a red indicator. The tile-like texture produces a matte touch on the rear side, which is looking absolutely beautiful. This is a new change in the P-series design scheme. The next scene draws us to the front with that large screen and curved edges. With a closer look, we found that it's a quad-curved display and first used in the P40 Pro. The next shot demonstrates the screen's durability of Kunlun glass, while the last frame comes towards us with a boot screen including Huawei and HarmonyOS start the animation. This unboxing gives us our first look at the Huawei P60 series, and the disclosure of information in the video are awesome from every perspective. Especially the rear material is something entirely different than the P50 Pro. Also, the camera system has a white color, which perfectly blends into the rear case. Huawei P60 Pro camera also has a round camera on the top and a rectangular round-shaped periscope zoom on the bottom. This phone is amazing, and I want you to watch the entire video again. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.